Welcome to this detailed review of Affirm's Credit Builder program. Affirm offers a unique way to improve your credit score by using their financing service. Unlike traditional credit cards, Affirm's Credit Builder works by offering you a set amount of credit and allowing you to pay it off in monthly installments. The key difference is that there's no interest if you pay on time, and there's no credit check to get started, making it an accessible option for many people who want to build or rebuild their credit. Once you sign up for Affirm, you'll gain access to the Credit Builder program through the app or website. The process is straightforward. You set up an Affirm account, link a payment method, and then you can choose your credit line. Affirm's Credit Builder works by giving you a revolving line of credit, but instead of using it for purchases, like a regular credit card, you'll use it to make a specific purchase or loan with Affirm. Each month, you make your scheduled payments on time to increase your credit score. Affirm reports your payments to the credit bureaus, which helps you build a positive credit history. One major advantage of Affirm's Credit Builder program is that it doesn't charge high interest rates, like traditional credit cards. As long as you stick to your agreed payments, you won't face any fees or high rates that might negatively impact your credit. The app is simple to use. Once you've been approved for the Credit Builder line, you'll be able to choose financing options for larger purchases or make installment payments on loans. If you're someone who doesn't have a traditional credit card or is worried about overspending, Affirm can be a great alternative, as it limits how much you can borrow based on your payment ability. What I really appreciate about Affirm is its transparency. The app shows you exactly how much you owe, when your next payment is due, and gives you tools to track your progress. If you're struggling with payments, you could also contact their customer support for assistance. Overall, Affirm's Credit Builder program is a solid option for anyone looking to improve their credit score in a more controlled and responsible way. I end this video. I've shown you exactly how Affirm's Credit Builder works, the pros and cons, and whether or not it's worth using. If you're looking for a simple, low-risk way to start building your credit, Affirm could be a great choice. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best financial tools available today.